Going off to college can be an exciting and stressful time. On top of registering for classes, moving in, and buying books, you also have to worry about getting around. As if there wasn't enough to do, finding the right car can be a tedious task. Mazda CX-30. Slap a luxury badge onto the 2021 Mazda CX-30 and no one would be able to tell that something's out of place. The subcompact SUV has one of the most upscale cabins and designs in the class. The CX-30 also comes with features that college students will enjoy, like an 8.8-inch infotainment display, Apple CarPlay, Android Auto, and a Wi-Fi hotspot. On the road, the CX-30 delivers sharp handling, as well as a comfortable ride. If you're looking to get your mind off of classes, the CX-30 is an enjoyable SUV to drive. The CX-30 has a predicted reliability score of 82 out of 100 from J.D. Power, which is considered to be great. In crash testing, the CX-30 earned a Top Safety Pick Plus award from the FORTE and a 5-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. Toyota Camry. The Toyota Camry continually ranks as one of the best-selling vehicles in the U.S., and for good reason. The midsize sedan can do it all, offering a comfortable ride, a powerful optional V6 engine, and all of the latest safety features. Because of its well-rounded character, the Camry won our Best Midsize Car for the Money Award for 2021. Unlike the majority of competitors, the Camry is available with a 3.5-liter V6 engine that makes 301 horsepower. Additionally, Toyota offers the Camry in a sporty TRD trim that features an aggressive body kit and athletic suspension. All-wheel drive is available for the Camry, but it's only offered with the standard 4-cylinder engine. On the inside, the Camry offers a stylish cabin with spacious seating for up to 5 people. The sedan's trunk offers up to 15.1 cubic feet of space. Kia Soul. The 2021 Kia Soul isn't your typical subcompact SUV. Closely resembling a large wagon with its boxy design, the Soul is an odd-looking vehicle. The design brings an enormous cargo area of up to 62.1 cubic feet of cargo space. Passengers also get a spacious cabin with comfortable seats. The Soul comes with a lot of standard features for its relatively affordable price tag, which is why it was named the 2021 Best Subcompact SUV for the money. Higher trim levels come with a 10.25-inch touchscreen, a Harman Kardon audio system, and wireless device charging. In crash testing, the Soul did well enough to earn a Top Safety Pick designation from the FORTE and a 4-star overall safety rating from the NHTSA. In order to get some advanced driver assist features, you have to move up to the S trim. Kia Forte. Featuring a long list of standard features for an affordable price, the 2021 Kia Forte won our 2021 Best Compact Car for the Money Award. Beyond being a budget-friendly choice for college students, the Forte also features a spacious cabin, an intuitive infotainment system, and competitive fuel economy figures. The Forte comes with a 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine as standard. When paired with the available continuously variable automatic transmission, the Forte can get up to 31 miles per gallon in the city and 41 miles per gallon on the highway. Kia continues to offer one of the longest warranties on the market. The Forte comes with a 5-year/60,000 mile basic warranty and a 10-year/100,000 mile powertrain warranty. Together, these warranties will give you the peace of mind of knowing that you're getting a reliable car that will last for many years to come. Hyundai Tucson. Hyundai introduced a fully redesigned Tucson for the 2022 model year. The sharply styled compact SUV arrives with a spacious cabin and a comfortable ride. The Tucson's cabin also feels far more upscale than its affordable price tag lets on. Higher Tucson levels can be fitted with some of the most high-tech features for the compact class. A 10.25-inch touchscreen, a 10.25-inch digital gauge cluster, wireless device charging, a Bose audio system, and a digital key are available. For Costco runs, Tucson's expansive cargo area will be helpful. The compact SUV offers up to 74.8 cubic feet of cargo space, which is one of the largest cargo areas for the segment. An available hands-free power liftgate makes the cargo area more accessible. Mazda 3. The stylish Mazda 3 is one of our top-ranking compact vehicles. Like many other Mazdas, it boasts a high-end design and athletic handling. For 2021, Mazda has introduced 2 new engines for the compact. There's a new base 2.0-liter 4-cylinder engine and a new turbocharged 2.5-liter engine. The Mazda 3's upscale cabin features high-end materials and an intuitive infotainment system. Every trim comes with an 8.8-inch display that's one of the larger ones in the class, though smartphone compatibility isn't standard. Going with the hatchback body style brings up to 20.1 cubic feet of cargo space, which is a decent amount for a compact vehicle. One of the Mazda 3's unique features is its available all-wheel drive system. The Mazda 3 is one of the few vehicles in the compact class to have the system as an option, giving it all-weather capability. Honda CR-V. The 2021 Honda CR-V is one of the most popular SUVs on the market and is near the top of our ranking of compact SUVs. The CR-V was named the best compact SUV for the money for 2021 because of its strong value. Honda only offers the CR-V with one powertrain, but it's a robust one. Power comes from a turbocharged 1.5-liter 4-cylinder engine that makes 190 horsepower. In addition to feeling peppy, the powertrain delivers great fuel economy figures of up to 28 miles per gallon in the city and 34 miles per gallon on the highway. In our ranking, the CR-V has a nearly perfect safety score of 9.7 out of 10. The score comes from the CR-V's strong crash test ratings and lengthy list of standard equipment. Standard safety features include lane departure warning, forward collision warning, and automatic emergency braking. Toyota Corolla. Available in both hatchback and sedan bodies, the Toyota Corolla has always been a great car for college students. For the 2021 model year, Corolla gains Android Auto as a standard feature, adding to its long list of equipment. The Corolla was a finalist for our 2021 Best Compact Car for the Money Award. With a standard 139 horsepower engine, the Corolla isn't the quickest or most enjoyable vehicle to drive, but it is efficient. The base engine is rated to get up to 30 miles per gallon in the city and 38 miles per gallon on the highway, which are great figures for the class. Unlike a lot of other compact vehicles, the Corolla comes with Toyota Safety Sense 2.0 as standard. The suite brings a lengthy list of standard safety features that includes pedestrian detection, lane keep assist, and forward collision warning. Hyundai KONA. The funky, quirky 2021 Hyundai KONA looks like no other subcompact SUV on the market, especially if you go with one of the more unique exterior colors. The KONA's sporty design is backed up by its athletic handling and peppy engines. A 147 horsepower 4-cylinder engine is standard with the KONA, while a peppier 175 horsepower turbocharged engine is available. The base engine has plenty of power for daily use, but the turbocharged engine makes the KONA feel far quicker off the line. If you enjoyed this video, kindly press the like button. Also, don't forget to subscribe with notifications on, so that you don't miss out on videos like this. Thank you for watching.